Hello everyone, I am Dr. Radhika, a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist and a laparoscopic surgeon working at Citizens Hospital, Hyderabad. Today I would like to talk on the topic impact of stress on women's health, especially on the gynecological aspect. So stress, as everyone knows, we experience throughout our daily lives, but we will be able to cope it up. So stress has a positive note, that is, it will help us to do better. But sometimes stress has a negative impact, that is, when it is excessive, it causes a destructive and ill effects which is harder to cope. And when it becomes excessive, then it leads to several symptoms leading to problems in the whole body, both physical and mental. Stress affects women more than men in view of the multiple roles that the women take in their regular life and multitasking. Women are experiencing it more. So whilst I would not like to cause more stress, the key is awareness is important to know that what all the impacts the stress causes on one's health, and then one can take steps to minimize the stress holistically for overall well-being. So what are the impacts that stress can cause? So first of all, excessive stress can cause the changes in periods, that is the menstrual cycles. It can affect the menstrual cycles. There can be absent periods, there can be delayed periods, irregular periods. It can cause change in the length of the cycle duration, and also sometimes the periods can be painful. So this is one of the common things that we come across in the gynecological clinics. So it's very important for the women to know that all these symptoms can also be caused by stress, so that they can take note of the symptoms and then take precautions at an earlier stage. And the next thing is PCOD. PCOD is one of the very common problems that affects the adolescent girls and young women at reproductive age. Stress actually increases the symptoms and the chances of the PCOD to become more severe and worsen. Now, next, coming to premenstrual syndrome is one of the common change and the problem that a lot of middle-aged women experience. So the excessive stress can lead to worsening of the symptoms that the woman is facing before the periods, like bloating sensation, cramping, mood swings, irritability, and other symptoms. So these become exacerbated. They experience in increased severity and the duration also. Sometimes they can experience it even 1 week to 2 weeks before the onset of periods. Whilst understanding that stress can increase this, if that is taken care of, then the severity of the symptoms can be reduced. Now, coming to what are the effects of the stress related to pregnancy. Excessive stress has a negative impact on the ability to conceive, and also some problems during pregnancy, that is, it can affect the fetal and the childhood development because of the changes, and also lead to changes in the adjustment that the mother has to take during the postpartum period. And the common thing, depression is one of the complications that can happen in the postpartum period. And when a woman is already under stress, these things can increase in incidence, and the woman may find it difficult to go through the postpartum period in a smoother manner. Now, after understanding about the pregnancy related things, now I would like to tell when the woman is going through the menopausal period or the premenopausal period, lot of hormonal changes take place. So while these hormonal changes are taking place in the transition period from premenopause to menopause, women experience a lot of mood swings, irritability, and other changes like hot flushes. So excessive stress can lead to increasing the severity of the symptoms, thereby making difficult for the woman to cope up these symptoms. And the other thing that can happen, one of the other things is stress can also reduce the sexual desire in women. That is because of several other factors adding to it. if she's already under a lot of mental stress, anxiety, and then she's already looking after other young kids, and she's some medical problems, and there is some difficulty in adjusting with the partner. So all these things can add up and reduce the libido. So these are all the problems that a woman can face with the stress. So this amounts to a significant amount of patients we see in the gynecological clinic. Right, so after understanding the impact, now my advice is for the woman is to take simple steps to reduce the stress in her daily life. First is, in your daily routine, adapt some breathing exercises, meditation, and trying to be calm and responding in very cool and calmer way to the situations that come across would help in a long way to reduce the stress and also the impact that we have already understood till now on the woman's health, thereby improving the health, one's health, and also having a better life and a good quality of life. So with this, I think this has helped to create some awareness and then to take some action so that we take care of our health. So I think with this, let us conclude and telling that women has to give some time to take care of their health and then understand what is going on. Thank you.